Hello and welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video, we'll be learning how to delete a column from existing data. In the previous video, we had discussed about how to create new column from existing column. If you had not watched that video, then click on the above link. Now let's assume we have a dataset in a CSV file named data.csv, which contains a list of employees and their details, such as name, age, salary, and department. To read this file in Pandas, we can use the import pandas as PD, then to read the file we will be using read_CSV function, and we'll give the path where we have the Excel file saved. To delete a column from this data frame, we can use the drop function. Let's say we want to delete the column named age. We can do this by using the drop function, and the code will be df is equal to drop, open the round bracket column name, which will be age, and axis is equal to 1. In this example, we are specifying the axis as 1 to indicate that we want to drop a column. Now that we have deleted the column, we can save the modified data frame to a new Excel file using the df_to_csv function. Hence, we will open the CSV file from the above path and we'll check the result. Hence, we can see the age column is deleted. And that's it. You now know how to delete a column from existing data in Pandas and save it as a new file in Excel. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning. Our upcoming video will focus on teaching you how to delete multiple columns at once.